Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Hotwav W11. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down to the system. Right here you'll be able to find gestures, and there's 4 of them, at least actually 3 of them. Other one is system navigation, but I will explain that later. Now let's enter a first one, which is 3 finger screenshot. When activated, you'll be able to scroll down or swipe your 3 fingers from top of the screen to take a screenshot. Next one is to quickly open a camera by pressing a power button twice, and it works from any screen. That means you can lock your screen on the phone and it should open the camera as well by performing this action. Next one will be on how to navigate your phone in system navigation. Here you can choose either gesture navigations or 3 buttons navigations. So if you decide on 3 buttons, they should be available on the bottom of your screen, and you can, for example, open all of the apps running with this button, go back to the home screen with that button, and then simply go back, click on this button to perform a go back step. And other one is gesture navigations, and here you can navigate your phone using gestures. So you can go back 1 step like this, you can open your home screen like this, and if you want to see all opened apps, then you need to swipe up your finger and hold it for a few seconds, and it should show all of the apps opened. Last one is press and hold power button to activate your digital assistant, in this case Google Assistant. When activated, you can also adjust press and hold duration. Then press and hold power button to activate your Google Assistant. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.